Okay, so this is a really cool herbal oil that I'm really excited to talk to you about. It's amazing. It's so versatile in use and it has so many health benefits. So this is rosemary infused in olive oil. Now I love infused oils. What's an infused oil? It's also called a maceration or macerate. And it's basically where you put your herbal material in some oil carrier. This can be olive oil or coconut oil, any kind of oil really, that you're going to want to put on your skin or you're going to put on your hair. It's whatever you like. The texture, coconut oil will be more solid, olive oil will be more liquid and moisturizing. It depends what works for you. Now I work with olive oil. I really love olive oil, and as I'm in the Mediterranean, there's olive oil everywhere, so easy to get. Anyway, so it's been a month and a bit more because I forgot about this poor little oil. He was sitting in the cupboard. He's been infusing for a month and a half or so. So I took some dry sprigs of rosemary. I've got loads in the garden. I dried them for about a week or more. Actually, rosemary takes quite a bit of time to dry, so you want to think about this ahead because you got a drying period and then you got the maceration period. Also, another thing is that I like infused oils compared to essential oils. Already, it's really much easier to prepare. And also, it's already in a carrier oil. You know, with essential oils, you have to be careful. You can't use them directly on your skin or any way, really. You have to always diffuse them. So you're going to be diffusing them in the end. So might as well just have them directly in the carrier oil. So the health benefits of rosemary oil are incredible and many ways of using it. First of all, it's used a lot at the moment for hair loss. People who suffer from hair loss literally massage it into your scalp once or twice a day, like early in the morning or at night. You just massage it. Some people will use rollers. They roll it in to make sure it really penetrates into the scalp as you want. There's also on the skin. You can use it on the skin. It's antibacterial, antifungal. It's really good for, skin afflictions. And you can also eat it. You can put it in your food. It's got a lovely rosemary infused flavor. So, it's as you want. It's really versatile. And it's got loads of properties. If you take it internally, there are a lot of interesting studies going around rosemary that it's really good for the memory. So it can really improve your memory. And otherwise, it's great for fighting colds, coughs. At the moment it's winter, so you really want that. Yeah, but I think mainly if you have rosemary oil, you'll be using it on your skin, on your hair, particularly the hair for hair loss. So here you can see that the herbal material is inside the oil and it's turned slightly darker green color. So as you can see, I've still got the plant material in here, and I placed a weight to make sure that the plant material stayed submerged during the whole month under the infused oil. Otherwise, it can go rancid, so you have to be careful about that. And now I'm going to strain my lovely oil with a cheesecloth in a bowl, and there you go. And that's it. It's really easy. All you need to do is wait. It just takes a lot of time, but it's super easy to make. And if you do bigger batches, then it's easier, so let's strain it. So now I'm going to pour it into a sterilized glass jar. So this is the final product. It smells, wow, that smells amazing. I think it's infused super well, really good. The color is beautiful. And also when I was straining it with the cheesecloth, it felt really much thicker than original olive oil. It's so soft on skin. My hands feel absolutely amazing. It's really nice. And I think it's good for wounds and things. It's healing, it's antioxidants, anti-aging, all that good stuff. Quite amazing. I'm really impressed. One other thing that I remembered when I was training it is you have to be careful that your liquid level will always be lower. First of all, because there was the plant material, so you have to subtract that plant material weight, and also you'll lose quite a bit in the cheesecloth, and when you're pouring out the bowl, of course, there's going to be some oil that you won't have caught. So this has done me about, see, I had my olive oil, I thought it was up here, I put some olive oil to the top, and now I have like half, so you have to keep that in mind, depending on the quantities you want to make. So there you go. I'm really happy and proud. I'm so excited to try it out. It smells so good. It's amazing. And there you go. I hope you can make it yourself and you can use it yourself. And let me know if you do. I'd like to know what you think about it. So there you go. Rosemary infused oil. Beautiful. I love it.